How to review voice interactions on Facebook Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review voice interactions on Facebook Mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and then click these three lines here in the top corner and go down, click settings and privacy and then click settings, and now just go down here and click activity log and click this one, look at actions and other activity, and then you will find this one here, voice interactions, and here you can review it. And that's it for today's video. Please, if you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.